Hey, how's it going, Central Cal community? We're here with Eric Rubio with Duncan Polytechnical High School, and we're here at the open house for their heavy truck program. So first off, how long has the program been open for the students to choose as an elective?
So we started the program this August, and we just got access to the shop about a month ago. But I think our students haven't let them. It hasn't stopped them from learning. So I think we're on a great path for success with this brand new facility. Especially you guys donating the trailer that we have behind us, so that way they can do all their activities that they need to do on the trailer.
That's awesome. So in a nutshell, what do you hope the program is going to do for the students?
I hope that we can fulfill the workforce deficit that we have here in the local valley, and give all the students in the program hope that they can make a livable wage straight out of high school. They can really learn a skill that's in demand and pursue a job right after high school.
So thank you, Eric. I appreciate you. And yeah, we'll go inside and take a look at everything.
Find something that you really enjoy and you get very good at, and that's, you're going to be that guy. So there may be a guy that loves transmissions. He's going to be the transmission guy. He's going to be able to help out other people, but he may not be good at diagnostics, so that you may be that guy. It's almost like, this is how we're doing things as a team out here.